In front of me I've got 70mm dashcam 1SD06. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. Let's take a look at this side of the camera with the screen display. Right here we've got 4 functional buttons and 1 power button. Here on the left side of the camera we've got the camera we can adjust with LED display. On the back of the camera we've got the mount. Currently I've got this simple mount that we have to only slide in and stick to the front windshield using this glue attachment. Of course we have to stick it with this anti-static film. On the other side of the camera we've got the charging port and the micro SD port. And that's basically it. Let's start the camera and let's check what does it have to offer. For that I would have to plug it to charge. Now the camera is on automatically. The red LED light indicates us that the power battery level is low. To do anything with the camera, first you have to insert SD card. So let me do it right now.
Please format SD card.
Let's format it. Remember that if you format the card, all of the data on it will be erased. Okay. As you can see on the home page of the screen, we've got the notifications about current recording, date and time of the recorder, Wi-Fi status. I think this is the parking status. Here we can enable or disable audio video.
Start recording emergency video.
This button allows us to enable recording emergency video. We have to wait until it stops. Always remember that emergency videos cannot be overwritten, so they are landing in the safe folder that cannot be erased.
Recording complete.
Here we've got the gallery,
Shawmine stops recording,
where we can check normal, emergency and photos. Now let's go to settings. And in settings we can enable or disable Wi-Fi hotspot, collision sensitivity, we can format SD card, change system time, change screen off time, change language, go to advanced settings, check system update, change FPS of the recordings, restore device to factory settings and check about. And that's basically it. To turn off device, simply press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.